Well, I did it. I got up early and I'm here for sunrise. Hopefully I get to do a little surfing also. But I'm trying to get a focus picture here of the sun coming up through the clouds. There's a few clouds. They don't open the park here until 6 o'clock. Of course, sunrise is at 6:05. But a beautiful scene on the beach here. Let me see if I can get some shots. Dude, all this, my camera lens is fogging up. The video works better, I think. I don't know. I feel like my camera's broken here. Out of focus, or it's just my eyes or my brain not capable of using a camera properly. But yeah, beautiful sunrise this morning. Absolutely gorgeous day. And there are some waves. I think I'm gonna paddle out, catch a few on the new longboard I got. So, or longboard, it's like a 7.1, 7.3 or something like that. Can't play those games inside my. Seeing if the video works better up close. I'm not getting the shots I used to get with this camera. Can't play those games inside my. Looking like waves coming out of the south. South is like onshore here. Got the birds all excited about the fishermen. And it looks like a good day today. Some pretty interesting skies there for y'all. I tried to capture it, my camera's not working too well. So we'll see what we get. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It feels beautiful out. It's like 73 and the wind's blowing out of the south, so it's kind of warm, but it's not hot. Not too much humidity. It's like a perfect beach morning. So, hope everybody enjoys this video as much as I enjoy being out here. That's pretty cool. Seeing the waves go by this lit up spot. If only it's in focus. I'm worried. My camera's not being nice. Oh man. Surfer paradise. Don't even mention. Nah, that boy that fake water retention. Yeah, can't play those games inside my section. This is so cool. Such a good angle. There's a few little waves out there. I have to go surfing. Looks like it's gonna get cloudy though. It's getting dark, I feel the tension. Hey. Tension. Nah. Tension. Yeah. Gorgeous. Awesome. Pigeons are loving it. I'm loving the reflection here in this camera setting. Hopefully we'll get out there in the water very shortly. Can't play those games inside my. Can't play those games inside my. color select on, so it looks way cooler than it really is out. But there's some pictures for you. I don't know if I like the photographs better or the videos. I'm trying both. A pretty beautiful day. Oh man, the breeze feels heavenly. Epic. The sun's about to go behind the clouds there. We could try to zoom in, but the focus probably isn't gonna stay.
Can't play those games inside myself.
I have to go down to the beach and see about surfing here shortly before I continue with my day of beauty and nature.
Nah, that boy that fake water retention. Yeah, can't play those games inside my section. Nah, it's getting dark, I feel the tension. Tension, 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 tension. Can't play those games inside my 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 Can't play those games inside my